So the issue is the pond, this lower pond is full to the bank. It's causing the spillway here, I guess you could call it, or the levee dam. It's getting wet. Water's kind of going over it. This pipe's clogged up here, and we're gonna make a cut. I'm gonna use this chainsaw, this pole saw from Stihl, and we're gonna cut it down a couple inches to hopefully let the pond drain down some. Half of it's just all these sticks. It's flowing like way better now. Yeah, half of it's just sticks and stuff. It's flowing a lot better now just with moving the debris. Yeah. Look at how, that's like a couple inches right there. See how much lower the water is over it? Yep. So maybe we should hold off on cutting it until we see what happens. You need to come down here and like move the stuff away from it.
I don't know why there's so many more leaves in there.
We need to get rid of these jaggers right here too. I mean, I can use that pole saw. Because I mean, you can see right now there's like 3 or 4 inches of water.
Yeah,
probably 3 inches of water right there.
Yeah.
Just get a big stick or something sturdy and knock off, because there's a ton of water flowing right now. Mm-hmm. I bet this, look at this thing's running like way better now. I guess we're not going to cut it with a saw. There was just some debris on it that I didn't notice. It's flowing a lot better. Just really open it up. There's like, I can't believe it blocked that much water. This thing's sweet.
We got stuff all caught in.
Yeah, it's no big deal. It'll come out. It's just grass. That thing's really flowing. You're gonna notice the bank come down a lot just with that. But you'll have to see once the water's down to the lip of that pipe, you'll have to go look at that corner down there. That's probably the lowest spot. And see if it's up to it. If it's up to it, we might have to cut this out, notch it out. Because I feel like last year I did this.
Yeah, you definitely killed it.
But like all these sticks are going to come down and get hung up on it. Mm-hmm. The only thing you could really do is get like a chicken wire thing and run it around that pipe to like water through but not debris.
Yeah.
Like a chicken wire, like, yeah. And you could take chicken wire and just make a basket about it and go over that. You don't want to raid on it, but around it to keep debris from going to the... Alright, so we're just going to let this drain down because it's still a couple inches above the lip of that pipe, and we're gonna see where the pond level's at, maybe tomorrow. And then if we need to lower it more, then I'm gonna cut that lip of that pipe out with that saw. There's our floating dock. Check out that video. It's pretty nice. We gotta do Thompson water sealer on it as soon as the weather gets a little better. Seal all that up. So you can unhook those chains and you could float that dock wherever you want, or take a paddle and go out in the middle, swim off of it, we'll put a ladder on it, or fish off of it. Right there's 3 bass. I guess I can see them a lot better because I got polarized glasses on.
I just see the reflection.
Put these glasses on and take yours off and look right there.
Oh, yeah.
Can you see better?
Uh-huh.
Bunch of bass in here.
Yeah.
There's the pond aftermath down there that since we opened it up.
Looks pretty though.
Yeah. It's really flowing. Sounds nice too.